Assalamualaikum everyone. Hari ini saya nak pasang pintu on our internal cabinet inside of our appliance garage. This time around, saya akan install Kungsbacka door front instead of Lerhyttan, unlike the rest of our kitchen. For the first step, kita pasang the hinges on the doors first. Saya pakai hinges Utrusta 110 degrees sahaja since kami tak perlukan a bigger opening for these cabinets. My favourite tip for this part is to pakai a mallet untuk push the hinges into place dan untuk lock the hinge in place. Kalau buat by hand, it requires a lot more effort. Bila pakai mallet, kita gentle tap sahaja dan all done. Boleh repeat this step for all of the doors. Masa kita orang build this kitchen dulu, memang kami plan nak leave these cabinets open. So, saya pasang this variera caps dekat all the lubang-lubang yang ada dalam the inside of the cabinets. Nak remove the caps ni was a bit of a challenge, so this is where I ran into a little trouble. Bila nak pasang this part of the hinge onto the cabinet, jadi susah sikit sebab ada lagi the internal part of the variera cap in the holes yang kita nak install this hinge part. The trick that I found was to use a drill bit untuk make a hole in the plastic so that the plastic plug on the hinge part tu boleh masuk properly. If not for the variera caps, easy je this step. Insert the hinge part into the holes dan ketuk if perlu, lepas tu just tighten the screws to secure. This next step yang usually susah sikit, which is to actually install the door onto the cabinet frames. Kadang-kadang dia senang, kadang-kadang dia susah sikit. Bila susah tu is because the hinges tak line up properly. Basically, kita kena slide the hinge into place dan dia ada the latch at the back yang akan secure the door. And that's it. Repeat the steps for all. On this side of the cabinet, saya kena remove a baby safety door magnet holder since it's in the way. So, saya pakai just a scraper and a mallet to remove. Easy peasy. Now, boleh repeat the steps untuk the hinge and door installation just like macam mana saya pasang the other door. Now, dah boleh remove the protective plastic from the doors. Tak semua pintu kitchen cabinet IKEA datang dengan these protective covers. So far yang saya pernah encounter is all with the flat cabinet door design. And all done! I love how kemas and finished our appliance garage looks now. Kalau korang interested in how we built our appliance garage, boleh check out my DIY appliance garage highlights. Saya share the step-by-step of how we built it and all of our supply list there. Thanks for watching everyone. Till next time.